Try to be quick because I really want to see Faint, and I think we are on a time constraint. I rhyme. That's stupid.
That was good.
Thank you. We're Gawshock. We're from Huntsville, Alabama. And this is our first time playing out of state, which is pretty cool. It's our first tour. I've been booking this for like 5 months. And it was
Just this one took 5 months.
Yeah, just this one. You don't even want to know how long the other
So
one was.
5 months times however many shows we're playing. Wow,
That'd be 50 months. Yeah, I underestimated how much work it would be, but I'm very glad that I did it because this is something I've wanted to do since I was like a kid. And it's very cool for you guys to come out and watch us. I really, really appreciate all of you. I appreciate these guys that I'm playing with. Yeah. Oh, I tuned to the wrong thing. I'm stupid. building. There's that stupid sound. There it is. And it's me that's making it. Can't remember a goddamn thing anymore. I'll think real hard. Just give me a minute. I'll think real hard about it. I'll think real hard. Just yeah, I'll think real hard. Thank you.
I disappeared.
Oh, fuck. You got back orange? Technical difficulties.
We're gonna work through it. It's DIY.
That's right.
It works now. It's fine.
You good for a sideshow?
Yeah. Wait, are we doing sideshow? Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna play a few more. When I came to your place, on a $20 bill, but it isn't even $10. I think about you still. All the comfort words provide no comfort. I'll go back together. That's what friends are for. Maybe if I yell at you, you'll trust in what I'm saying. But I'm all the secrets, I've nothing else to say. couple more. I gotta get a capo real fast.
Wait, we do turn.
Oh, you wanna do turning?
Of course.
All right, never mind. All right. My bad. We got a bunch of merch if you guys are interested in any merch. Just out that table, come see me. All right. Try as you might, do as you will. Always bound to be something burning. David always says we got a couple more and then he fucking leaves. Oh, we're here. weeks. Let's skip these. Let's just do June and fine.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. We do a whole lot of tune. We tried practicing our stage banter and it was a fucking disaster.
Yeah, we just prefer to be completely silent.
We're
when you guys are
shoegazers.
uncomfortable.
Wait. Talk to me.
Alright, this is an old one. It's called June Part 1.
Thanks.
Sorry, I guess I've never tuned my guitar before. That'll do. Yeah, it's our last one. It's an older one. It's called Funny. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys. We're about done.